Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something truly exciting to share with you. We're going to explore the hidden gems of Scotland's Far North Line, a railway journey that's often overlooked but offers breathtaking landscapes and fascinating history. So, hop on board as we uncover some unknown facts about this remarkable railway route. Our journey begins in the 19th century when the Far North Line was first conceived. It officially opened in 1874, connecting the cities of Inverness and Wick. What's remarkable is that this railway line was a significant engineering feat of its time, with challenging terrain to overcome, including steep gradients and rocky landscapes. Did you know that the Far North Line boasts one of Scotland's most iconic railway structures? The Dornoch Firth Bridge, opened in 1892, is a marvel of Victorian engineering. Its timber viaduct spans the stunning Dornoch Firth, offering passengers a breathtaking view as they cross. The Far North Line has some surprising royal connections. Queen Elizabeth, the Queen Mother, had a special fondness for the region and was a regular passenger on this line when visiting her Scottish retreat at the Castle of May. So, when you travel along this route, you're following in the footsteps of royalty. One of the best-kept secrets of the Far North Line is its awe-inspiring scenery. As the train winds its way through the Scottish Highlands, you'll be treated to breathtaking views of rugged mountains, serene lochs, and lush green landscapes. Here's a fun fact: the Far North Line is a wildlife enthusiast's dream. Keep your eyes peeled, and you might spot red deer, golden eagles, and even seals along the route. It's a unique opportunity to connect with Scotland's rich biodiversity while you travel. Now, let's delve into some spooky history. Several stations along the Far North Line have their fair share of ghostly tales. For all you whiskey lovers out there, here's another hidden gem. The Far North Line is a gateway to Scotland's Highland Malt Whisky Trail. As you venture further north, you'll cross the Arctic Circle, making it one of the few railway lines in the world that extends this far north. It's a unique bragging right for any traveler. Forsynard Station is a mysterious place. It's located in the middle of a vast peat bog and is one of the most remote railway stations in the UK. In fact, it's so isolated that it has a waiting room with no road access. The station serves as a gateway to the Forsynard Flows Nature Reserve, a fascinating and untouched wilderness. While exploring the Far North Line, consider taking a detour to discover the history behind this intriguing hideaway. Prepare for a spine-tingling tale. There are stories of ghostly trains seen late at night along the Far North Line. Some claim to hear the distant chug of a phantom locomotive and see spectral passengers waiting at deserted stations. The Far North Line is not only a journey through landscapes but also through art. Many of its stations feature beautiful murals and sculptures that tell the stories of the region's history, culture, and natural beauty. Take a moment to appreciate the artistry that enhances the travel experience along this route. As you travel through the heart of Scotland, you might encounter local musicians serenading passengers with traditional Scottish tunes. The Far North Line often celebrates its heritage through live music performances at stations, giving travelers a taste of authentic Scottish culture. Many of the train stations along the Far North Line have retained their historic charm. Take Thurso, for example, with its beautifully preserved Victorian-era station building. It's like stepping back in time as you wait for your train. Near the village of Walligo, you can take a short side trip to the famous Walligo Steps. These 330 steps carved into the cliffs lead down to a hidden fishing harbor. It's a hidden gem not many tourists discover, but it's absolutely worth the visit for its dramatic coastal views. Did you know that the Far North Line is a crucial part of the North Coast 500 route? This epic road trip around the Scottish Highlands is a bucket list adventure, and the Far North Line conveniently connects to it, making it easy to explore both by rail and road. As you approach the coastal town of Thurso, you'll pass by the Flada Oil Terminal. During the summer months, the Far North Line offers a unique experience, the phenomenon known as the midnight sun. Because of its high latitude, you can witness the sun barely setting on the horizon, creating an otherworldly, almost surreal, atmosphere. It's a magical sight to behold. The Far North Line has a dark history tied to the Highland clearances, a period of forced evictions of Highland communities. Many of the landscapes you pass were once inhabited by these communities, and you can still see the remnants of abandoned villages, a poignant reminder of Scotland's past. If you time your visit right, you might stumble upon a traditional Highland Games event. These cultural celebrations include caber tossing, hammer throwing, and traditional Scottish dancing. It's a vibrant display of local heritage and athleticism. No visit to the far north line would be complete without a stop at the iconic JohnOGroats signpost. It's a must-visit spot for travelers, and you can capture some fantastic photos here. Near Thurso, you'll find the Castle of May, the former residence of Queen Elizabeth, the Queen Mother. This beautiful castle, overlooking the Pentland Firth, is open to the public and offers a glimpse into the royal history of the region. One of the most magical experiences you can have on the far north line is witnessing the sunset from the train. As the golden hues of the setting sun paint the Highland landscapes, it's a moment of pure serenity and beauty. Scotland is famous for its hearty cuisine, and the far north line is no exception. While traveling, be sure to try some traditional Highland dishes like haggis, neeps, and tatties, or indulge in fresh seafood caught from the nearby coast. It's a delicious journey for your taste buds. The far north line still relies on a network of remote signal boxes to ensure safe train operations. These charming, historic structures are manned by dedicated railway workers and provide a glimpse into the bygone era of rail travel. This unique and protected ecosystem is a critical habitat for wildlife, and it's a must-see for nature enthusiasts. While in the far north, don't miss the chance to explore the Smoo Cave near River Ness. It's a spectacular sea cave with both freshwater and seawater sections, and you can take guided boat tours to discover its geological wonders. Throughout your journey on the far north line, you can find small railway museums that showcase the rich history of the region's railroads. These museums often feature vintage locomotives, artifacts, and interactive exhibits, offering a fascinating glimpse into the railway's past. These gentle giants are a symbol of the Highlands and make for a charming sight from the train. Off the beaten path along the far north line, you can discover hidden waterfalls cascading down the hillsides. These serene and secluded spots are perfect for a short hike or a peaceful picnic, allowing you to connect with nature in its purest form. During the summer months, Scotland's countryside bursts into colour with a variety of wildflowers. Along the far north line, you'll be treated to stunning displays of heather, thistles, and other native blooms that create a vibrant tapestry of nature. The far north line runs along the rugged Scottish coastline, dotted with historic lighthouses that have guided ships for centuries. Scotland is steeped in folklore and legends, and the far north line is no exception. From Thurso, you can easily reach the Orkney Islands by ferry, making it a convenient side trip from the far north line. These islands are known for their Neolithic history, stunning cliffs, and vibrant local culture. While we've mentioned the stunning sunsets, let's not forget the equally mesmerizing sunrises along the far north line. Waking up early to witness the first light of day illuminating the Highland landscapes is a truly unforgettable experience. As you travel along the far north line, keep an eye out for hidden, secluded beaches along the coastline. These untouched stretches of sand offer a tranquil escape and a chance to dip your toes in the icy waters of the North Sea. Venture off the beaten path to explore the ancient Brochs of Caithness. These Iron Age structures, often referred to as Pictish castles, are a testament to Scotland's rich history and provide a glimpse into the lives of its early inhabitants. Immerse yourself in Scottish culture by attending a traditional Scottish ceilidh. These lively social gatherings feature live music, dance, and a warm, welcoming atmosphere. Her story is deeply intertwined with the history of the Highlands. While we've been exploring the far north line, it's worth noting that this rail journey is part of a larger network, including the North Highland Line. This extended route takes you even deeper into the Highland wilderness, providing a broader perspective of this beautiful region. Highland cemeteries offer a fascinating glimpse into the history and traditions of the region. The far north line passes through traditional crofting communities, where you can learn about the unique farming practices and way of life in the Scottish Highlands. Many sections of the far north line run parallel to old military roads, built during the 18th and 19th centuries. The far north line passes through several wildlife reserves and conservation areas. Be sure to bring your binoculars and camera. Near Far, you can find the ancient Far Stone, a Pictish symbol stone with intricate carvings. It's a remarkable archaeological find that provides insights into the mysterious Pictish culture of Scotland. This natural phenomenon is a testament to the resilience of these remarkable fish. Explore the heritage of Clan Sinclair as you journey through the far north line. This region has strong ties to the Sinclair family, and you can visit historical sites associated with this ancient Scottish clan. Keep an eye out for local festivals and events happening along the far north line. From Highland games to music festivals and traditional gatherings, these celebrations offer a chance to immerse yourself in the vibrant culture of the Highlands. The geology along the far north line is incredibly diverse. From ancient rocks and dramatic cliffs to unique rock formations, it's a geologist's dream. Take time to appreciate the fascinating landscapes shaped by millions of years of natural forces. For history buffs, the Mackay Country Trail is a hidden gem. This trail takes you on a historical journey through the lands once ruled by the Clan Mackay. Explore ancient ruins, castles, and landmarks that tell the story of this proud clan. And there you have it, an extensive look at the Far North Line Rail in Scotland, with an abundance of hidden gems, historical treasures, and natural wonders to uncover. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with fellow travelers. Keep exploring, and until next time, may your journeys be filled with discovery and enchantment in the heart of Scotland. Happy travels!